How to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. Welcome back to a new video of 1 2 Step everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of switching back to a personal account, whether you have a business or a creator account. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Open up your app and tap on the profile icon on the bottom right and tap on the three lines on the top right. From here, you'll need to head over to settings, and inside of settings you can see an option of account. So just tap on the accounts option, scroll down to the bottom and you'll have an option of switch account type. Just tap on this option and you can see there are two options. Either you can switch to a business account if you are a creator account, or you can also switch to a personal account. So just tap on the personal account option and it's going to give you this menu notification. Tap on switch to personal account and there you go. As easy as that, you will now be successfully switched from a creator or a business account back to a personal account. Now this does not mean that you can no longer switch back to a creator or business account. If you want, you can again switch back anytime. So that was the exact video on switching back to a personal account on Instagram. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thanks for watching.